Omegaman here, and one way to keep my power strong every day is to have a good hygiene, maintaining cleanliness. One of my arch enemies is on the loose, Viralian. And his mission is to spread his germs and bad habits to stop you from being healthy and clean. How do we stop from getting Viralian's germs and bad habits? Good hygiene habits start early, so I'm going to share with you a few Omegaman tips to help you keep your powers every day.
No, Omegaman, don't tell them. They won't need to know. Kids love germs. Please don't say anything.
The first way to keep Viralian from getting his germs on you is to make sure you wash your hands. Make it a habit to wash your hands for 20 seconds or longer. Before and after meals, after using the bathroom, after playing outside, after cleaning your room, after touching an animal, after meeting a sick friend.
You don't have to wash your hands, kids. Look at your hands. Do you see germs on them? Do they look dirty? No. So they're clean, and you don't have to always wash them.
And when coughing and sneezing, always cover your mouth instead of using your hands. Try using your sleeve or elbow to avoid the spreading of germs.
Whoa, Omegaman, you're really making me mad. If kids listen to you, this will keep them strong every day. No, we can't have that. No. Now this is how I really get around fast and spread my evil germs. When someone doesn't cover their mouth when they sneeze or cough, watch this! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Make sure you brush and floss your teeth at least twice a day. Cleaning your teeth and gums every day can prevent you from having bad breath and cavities.
Boys and girls, don't listen to Omegaman. Look at me. I've never brushed my teeth, and I have a beautiful smile.
So now you know how you can keep Viralian from spreading his germs on you. Always practice good hygiene. This is Omegaman, and have a superhero day.